This is a relaxing, short, guided meditation utilizing your 5 senses to help you feel calm and centered. I invite you to find a comfortable seat, whether that be in a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on the floor with a folded blanket or cushion underneath the edge of your seat for support. Take all the time you need to get comfortable and begin to align your heart over your hips and your head over your heart. Unclench your jaw and allow your face to soften. Draw your shoulders back and down, letting them fall away from the ears. And before closing your eyes, take a moment to look around at your surroundings, simply observing colors, shapes, and textures, taking in what is around you, orienting, and maybe mentally telling yourself, in this moment, I am safe. And only when you're ready, allow your eyelids to become heavy and gently close. And now begin to feel into any support underneath you. Maybe noticing all the points of contact between your body and the chair or the floor. As you feel into the support underneath you, this support that is always there, can you allow yourself to give even more of your weight to it, allowing yourself to land? Maybe mentally stating to yourself, I am grounded. Observing now the temperature of the air as it meets your skin. And feeling the fabric of your clothes against your body. Beginning to feel into your physical form. And without any judgment, noticing how your body feels in this moment. And maybe doing a mental scan from the crown of your head and slowly moving your awareness down through the body, inviting each part to soften and release any tension, until eventually your awareness reaches the soles of your feet. And as you are ready, begin feeling into your breath, beginning to observe any and all sensations within your breath. And you might allow your breath to slow down a little bit. You might allow your breath to deepen a little bit. Just simply witnessing your breath as it comes and goes, a continuous flow of air moving in and out. And now I invite you to begin observing all the sound that you can hear, noticing sounds nearby, and noticing sounds off in the distance. Not trying to identify the source of the sounds, but just listening and noticing any sounds that you can hear. And maybe now observing the sounds of your breath, the beautiful wave-like sounds of your breath as they flow in and out. And now allowing yourself to notice any aromas carried in with your breath. Notice, is there anything that you can smell within your space? Deepening your sense of smell. And now allow yourself to observe the taste within your mouth. And then allow yourself to swallow and relax your jaw and throat even more. You have surrendered to the here and now. At this moment, there's nothing more to do, nowhere else to be. Let yourself drift into the calm embrace of the present moment, releasing any need to control, to anticipate, or worry. Notice the subtle sense of this release as you let go of all that came before this moment and all that may come after. Feel a gentle wave of acceptance wash over you, carrying with it the knowing that you are fully here, exactly as you are. Notice how stillness feels, allowing each breath to ground you deeper into peace, into awareness. In this moment, simply be, resting fully in the present, allowing all that is to be just as it is, feeling calm, centered, and fully at ease. And only as you are ready, let your eyes gently flutter open. Once again, take in your surroundings. Invite in a sense of gratitude to yourself for taking this ever so important time for you. Taking with you any sense of peace and calm that you have cultivated from this practice with you as you move throughout the rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. May there be peace above you, peace below you, peace all around you, peace to your mind, body, and spirit. I always love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and let me know how you are feeling after this practice. I wish you a beautiful rest of your day. And if you liked this meditation, it can help me so much to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Please check out my free downloadable guide, 8 tools and practices to ease anxiety. I'll place a link below, and this free guide and all of my other offerings will also be available on my website at farrahfayeyoga.com. I have numerous other meditations and practices here on my channel to help support you with any stress or anxiety. Please check them out. It was a joy to practice with you today.